Literally fighting. There is a queue for a picture at Khardungla board. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. And we are ready to
go. We are ready to go to Nubra.
That is Khardungla today. The highest motorable road. There are talks about some other road also open which is higher than this.
Umlingla.
So we'll go there and find out. Apart from that, all set, bikes are loaded. We decided to have some poha here and go because on the way we may not get anything. We'll have to go all the way to Khardungla canteen and we'll get only noodles there. So why starve until then? It's better to have breakfast on time. Let's go have breakfast and get on the road. There's a bike all saddled up. I'm not wearing my hydration pack. I've packed it inside. I had space in the saddlebag, so I packed it. I put some Fevikwik for the riding boots. Some desi jugaad as usual. I didn't think about this, so I should have. See, my fingers all cracked up due to the cold weather. और थोड़ा डाल दे भाई. डाल दे चलेगा. कार्ड दे दूंगा थोड़ा. हाँ बस. 1286. चाबी नहीं लगेगा आपका. नहीं हो रहा, नहीं आएगा वो.
सुबह से यार 1-2 घंटा हो गया.
नहीं खुल रहा. नहीं होता वैसा. हाँ. The weather is quite pleasant. It's not too cold. It's not drizzling. There was a very slight drizzle in the morning while I was loading the bike, so I was a little worried, but things look a little better now. Time is somewhere about 8:45. Wow. Khardungla, 39 kilometers. Let's do it. So technically today is phase 3, leg 3 of our journey. Leg 1 was from Bangalore to Chandigarh. Leg 2 was from Chandigarh to Leh. And now exploring Leh will be leg 3 of this road trip. Yeah, we'll be reaching that checkpost where the locals here will want to verify the ownership of the motorcycle. That is there. That is a local what do you say, bike rental committee or whatever they are. These guys stop all motorcyclists on their way because they don't want rental bikes from other states to be used here. They want rental bikes from Leh or J&K to be used, I think. Something is there like that. I've seen it in a few videos, so we'll get to know that in person now. Welcome to the highest motorable roads in the world, mighty Khardungla. ಏನಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಟಕ್ಕಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. RC और ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस. आधार कार्ड भी चलेगा. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. तो ये वो गाड़ी का done, all good. So ownership of the vehicle is checked and confirmed and we're good to go ahead. See, this truck has no chains. If necessary, they'll tie the chains and still keep going. Nothing stopping the Indian Army. Wait for them to sign you off and then you can overtake. We just keep climbing until we reach the top. We can already see patches of ice on the hills. I think I'll have to swap sections in the gloves, dude. Even I'm feeling the chills now. But riding here I'm warm. I'm wearing the thermal t-shirt, so it's keeping me warm. I'm comfortable in that. Only my palm is getting cold. There is some roadblock up there. There's no point in rushing now. We have two-wheelers, so we can squeeze our way through. But still, we can't. It's not that easy. We need to make sure that there is space. ಹೋಗ ಲಾರಿ ತನಕ ಆ ಲಾರಿ ಹತ್ರ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಡಿ 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 ಚಲೋ 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 ದ ಕಾನ್ವಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗು 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 ಇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ವೇ We have a truck in the opposite direction as well. The road is narrow and my helmet is fogging up now. Okay, it's a tow truck. It's towing an Air Force truck, you know, a road repair wala gadi. Don't tell me the tow truck also has a problem now. Stuck in the wrong place in the turning actually. I think we have to stop here. Ilsa whistle martadana. So he's whistling from the top and asked us to stop. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Bangalore ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು? ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ. ನಾನು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ರೋಡ್. ಮುರುಗೇಶ್ ಪಾಳ್ಯ. ಇಬ್ರೆ. Yeah, sure. ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Thank you. Yeah, sure. So South Pulu is 15,300 feet. South Pulu. A lot of people here. A lot of military personnel. See all chains. In every truck there are ice chains. ಯಾವರು? ಗದಗ್. ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಹಾಂ. ಹೇಮಂತ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ವೀರೇಶ್. आप कहाँ से हो? ఆంధ్ర ఎక్కడ నా ఆంధ్రాలో గుంటూరులో
మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నారు?
నేను బెంగళూరు నుంచి
బెంగళూరు నుంచి బైక్ మీద
ఆ, ఇంకొకటి ఉన్నాడు
గాడి తಗೊಂಬಂದಿರಿ?
అల్లిందండి
ఎన్ని రోజులు పట్టింది? ఎన్ని రోజులు పట్టింది?
ఇప్పుడు 10 రోజು ಆಯ್ತು
ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ?
ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ 10th ಡೇ ನಾನು ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನಾನು ಸಚ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಕಿಸ್ತವಾರ್
थोड़ा बहुत तो आता है
थोड़ा बहुत आता है ಹಾಂ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಜಾಗ ಸರ್ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅವರು ಹಾಂ ರೆಡ್ ಬೈಕು కే
టూర్ మొత్తం టూర్ ఎన్ని రోజులు?
పడుతుంది నా ఒక 22 రోజులు
ఓకే
హ్యాపీ జర్నీ థ్యాంక్ యూ ಹಾಂ ಆರಾಮಾಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ
ಸ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು We'll find a lot of military personnel from different states here, especially from the south. So they feel happy when they see us. We talk to them. Look at that. We're going right into the clouds now. You see that movement there? Once we cross 2 more turns, we'll be above this cloud. Just imagine that. We're that high. South Pulu was 15,300 feet and I can't even see South Pulu now, it's that low. We're gaining another 2,500 odd feet to reach Kardungla. So that is the top. Oops. And from there we start descending. So first let's reach the top. Barappa Munde, Mr. Yatish Kumar, please come forward. Look at that view. This is where we came from. What 40-50? My bike did 80, dude. I came in 80 to catch up with you. I overtook all those bikers. I have done Kala magic. I have done black magic to me and my bike. Nothing can stop us. Bangalore to Kardungla, here we come. Kala magic, black magic, call it whatever you want. It is the will to do it. I'm not feeling too much of power loss, but yeah, there is slight, no jerking and all that. It is just that we are climbing uphill, right? So I'm not accelerating too much also. You just don't want to get into any sort of trouble and burn fuel, right? See this? The clouds just came from the left, going to the right. The road is down there. Mesmerizing view. Himalayas. Oh, he's racing up to Kardungla. Oh, there's a lot of snow there. I mean, it's not snowing, it's ice on the mountains. I always keep telling that. I'm sorry. It is in that Josh, you know, words just mix up. Mix up, fumbles, everything happen when you're too happy as well. Look at this mangle remain. Please drive carefully. This is the remains of a truck cabin. Snow slide prone area starts. Hello. Oh my goodness, there is so much crowd. Hello. Queue. There is a queue for a picture at Kardungla board. Oh my goodness, look at the number of people here. That is very pleasant actually. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? Welcome to the top of the world, mighty Kardungla. We made it. ಅವರು ಕೇರಳದವರು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಫೋಟೋಗೆ. ನೀನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. കേരള നാട്ടിന്നാ? കേരള എവിടെന്നാ? ബാംഗ്ലൂർ. എവിടെ നാട്ടിലെ? വയനാടാ? ഞാൻ പയ്യന്നൂർ. ആ, ഇപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എത്തിയത് നുബ്ര. നിങ്ങളെവിടെ? രണ്ടുപേര്. ഇങ്കാ 8 മണിക്ക് ഇവിടെ എത്തിയതാ കാലത്തെ? 2 മണിക്കൂറായിട്ട് ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? ಹಾಂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Can do nothing.
मैगी तो बनता है
At this stage.
वन स्पून.
Yeah.
We'll go further. There's one more board in front where we'd like to catch some pictures. Now removing the bike is a task. There's a lot of traffic on the top for photos.
ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Traffic jam at Kardungla top. Have you witnessed traffic jam at this altitude?
I'm coming here for the first time.
I came here last time, but it wasn't like this. It was free 10 years ago. This time, lot of tourists, convoys. We're not able to move our bikes from here. We're stuck actually.
We are stuck.
We wanted to take some pictures on board, and we stopped the bike in the side, and cars parked and truck is stopped, everything then close.
के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो वीडियो को, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो और बताओ क्या अच्छा लगा और क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा.
ठोक दो शेयर पॉइंट.
ठोक दो. 1 लाख लाइक आने चाहिए.
और एक घंटी का बटन दबा के जाना है.
Thank you. ಹಿಡಿದು ಬಿಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಇವತ್ತು. Literally fighting.
You don't take good.
Health advisory. Be cautious. On getting a solo pic with the board. Let's see how far he is successful. I am done. I got a picture with my bike. I'm happy with it. I don't even want it.